get started, you'll need to fill in the information in your spreadsheet. Go to timeline.nightlab.com and click on Make a Timeline. This will take you down the page to the Make a Timeline section, which gives you everything you need to start creating your timeline. Make sure that you're logged into your Google Drive account and click Get the Spreadsheet Template. Then you'll click Use this template at the top of the screen. This will create a copy of the template in your personal Google Drive. Feel free to rename the spreadsheet to something more descriptive of your project. Each row in the spreadsheet will represent a different event or slide in your timeline. Each column provides a place for you to enter in the details about your event. Some of the column headings will provide more information if you hover over them. You'll notice that the only field that is required in most cases is the year of the event. This determines where an event will appear on your timeline. There are a few things you should know to make sure your spreadsheet will display properly. Never change or remove any of the column headers or columns themselves. Also, make sure you remove any blank rows in your spreadsheet that may be between the rows that you're using. With that in mind, go ahead and fill in the rows with information about your event, starting with the year. I'm going to copy in the information from an already existing timeline for the purposes of this example. Let's start with filling out the date of your event. You can get more specific with dates if you'd like, listing particular months, days, or even times. You can also specify an end date if you'd like to create a slide that spans a range of time. The headline is the title of your individual slide. Enter further explanatory information in the text column. These columns allow you to provide narrative context for the specific events you're choosing to highlight. You can also include media to accompany your slides. TimelineJS allows you to link to images available on the web, as well as media from a variety of sources, including YouTube, Vimeo, Flickr, Instagram, Twitter, Google Maps, Wikipedia, and more. Enter the URL of the media source that you'd like to use, and then provide media credit or a media caption in columns M or N. You can also use HTML markup to format your text in the headline, text, media credit, and media caption columns. This means that you can bold, italicize, or add links to your text by using the appropriate HTML tags. You can also change the background color of individual slides. They'll be white by default, but you can put a hex value or color name in the last column to use a different color. Those are the basic steps for filling out the Google spreadsheet to create your timeline. In the next video, we'll talk about how to publish and view your timeline.